Hey everyone! Today we're going to talk about why your porch light is flickering and how to fix it. Let's get started. Your porch light is flickering because of a loose bulb. Vibrations from the wind and proximity to closing doors and windows can loosen your bulb over time, weakening or disrupting its connection and causing flickering. To fix a loose bulb, turn off the power, then remove and clean the bulb and holder. Reinstall the clean bulb, ensuring it's tightly fit before turning on the power. If the flickering continues, replace the bulb. However, if the flickering persists, you may have faulty wiring. Worn or damaged wires disrupt the electrical flow into your porch light, resulting in flickering. Here's how to fix faulty or damaged wiring. Turn off the power and remove the porch light. Inspect the wiring inside and outside for burns, corrosion, or loose wiring. Tighten the loose wires and replace the damaged ones. Call a technician or replace the porch light if the damage is extensive. Once done, reinstall the fixture and turn it on. If the flickering continues, there could be voltage fluctuations. Voltage fluctuations are common after power surges and blackouts. To address the problem, check if other appliances are affected. If they are, consult an electrician to diagnose and fix the problem. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.